Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2016 Ford Transit 350. This goes for all the years. I'm going to show you how to hook these seats in and how to unlock them. First, we're going to show you how to hook it in. We're going to put this in the front here. There's 3 bars, so we want to bring this seat up here and tilt the front in first till it hooks in, and then we're going to just set it back and it's going to latch in to put it in. Alright, so now we have it lined up. We're going to tilt the seat, this latch into here, and then we're going to set this back and it's going to click in. Go ahead, slide it up. Get that all the way up. A little further. And down. Harder. Got to do it harder. Alright, now it's slid in, locked. Now we're going to show you how to unlock it. Okay, so if you need to unlock it, there's usually levers here, but on the commercial vehicles there's no levers. So we're going to show you with the back seat how to unlock it. Alright, so now the back seat's in. I'm going to show you how to get it out. Like I said previously, there's usually a lever here, but there's no lever. But if you look in here closely, there's a little arm. Since the commercial vehicles don't come with an arm, you can get a little hook. You can be creative, whatever you want to do. And you have to do both at the same time. So we need 2 pieces. I'm also going to use a wire tie. You can do that, create a little loop with a wire tie. Anything that works. We're going to get it on there. It's hard to see. It's probably better to use a little screwdriver. Get that on this. We're going to get that on this side. I can see this a little better. Alright, we're going to hook this here. Pull them out at the same time. Push up. And there you go. Comes out. So you can see that little lever right here. That's all. Pull that out, then you slide the seat back, and it comes out. And we're going to lock it back down. Alright. So if you have the Ford Transit, that's how it's done. It's actually very simple. A little confusing at first, but you can see it's very simple. The seats are heavy, so have a friend help you put them in. And there you go. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Take care.